Hi viewers, WordPad menu bar. The first menu is file menu. File menu have new, open, save, save as, print, page setup and exit, send to email. New. This is the new file. The another option. Control N. Open. They selected any file in the MS Word file. Open. File is open. This is the new file. This is the open file. Difference is next save. How to save? Type here name. Lata. Click save. The file is Lata name saved. Next one, save as. The Lata name deleted, same file. Priya. Click save button. Type name after click save button. You will change the name here, Priya. Understood? Save and save as. Next one, print. You printing on the current page, click the current page. You printing all pages, select the all. You printed only selected papers, that time is selection. Okay. After click the print. Next one, page setup. The page is now size is later. Given to the A4, you selected here A4. Given to the legal, selected here. Now later only. This is always automatically selected. Landscape means this type. Margins given left, right, top, bottom. After click OK. Next one, in the file menu, send in email. You know all are know for that. Send to email file. Same file is sending to the email address. You have the email address is must ensure. First, before use in this file, save in the desktop. After select the email address. Next, exit. Complete the exit. How to open? Next one, home menu. Home menu, first clipboard. Clipboard have the print, cut, copy. What is that? Paste. Select the, after copy, click copy. Where or paste in cursor, move there. Paste. Next cut. Select this one. Cut. Clipboard over. Next one, font. Select the matter given to the font style. Increase the font size. Bold, italic, underline. Next, given to the color. Next, fill with color. This is the background of the color. Background of the text color. This is decrease the size of the text. Increase the size of the text. Decrease the size of the text. Next one is superscript and subscript. A. 2. We selected only 2. Number 2 only. Here given to the superscript. The 2 comes to down. Next one. Cube. PQ. Here selected only 3. Number 3 only. Given to X squared. The P3 comes to P up. This is the superscript and subscript they are using mathematics. Next, select the matter. This always left side is there. This is the paragraph alignments. The paragraph moves to the letter. You type the any letter. Date and time moves to the right side now. That I am using in this one. Next. Next, the para center, Control E. The para right side, Control R. The para justified, Control J. Given to the bullets on the paragraph, selected. Given to the line spacing on that, selected here, line spacing. This is the dialog box. You directly given to the left right margins. Here, paragraph, they selected introduction, left margin, right margin, first line. How much centimeters you have, line spacing, how to give it. With justified matter or left side matter, you selected here. Click OK. This is the paragraph over. Next one, insert. Insert the picture. Desktop. They selected any picture. Open. Picture K. Requirement picture only. Next, paintbrush. And draw any shapes here. Fill the color. Close this one. Scan. Next, insert object. Any chart. Click OK. Chart came. Excel chart came. Next. Find. Find the O. O letter only, finding whole matter. Next, close this one. Replace. In the O place, giving to the P. Replace all. Now find it. Which one? P. See, observe. Where you are given to the VURE, their place modified the letter in P. Next one, select all. Whole matter selected. Shortcut method, Control A. This is home menu. Next menu is view. Zoom in, zoom out, ruler. Observe here ruler. Ruler is over. Deleted. Clicking on here, ruler came. Status bar. Down of the window. Status bar. Status bar came. This is the status bar. Status bar have the zoom in, zoom out also. Next one. Word wrap. Wrapping ruler. Wrapping window. Next one, measurements. Inches, scale modified, observe. Centimeters, points. User requirements, always centimeters. Menu bar over. Next one, quick access bar is there. How to save? Already told, undo, redo. Undo and redo. Selected here. Cut. Undo option display. Okay. Understood? Thank you.